somewhere and there is like a cover up on top of it. Oh, you're not looking that bad. We don't have any makeup, completely natural face with just sunscreen, and I think I look a little dead.
But not that bad.
And I have definitely tanned. Yeah, definitely tanned.
मेरी हार्ट में सब पूरी दुनिया दो जने आते
I can't wear sunglasses because I have to wear glasses.
because she's blind.
And I forgot my powered sunglasses.
We are purple.
Not forgot, missed. Yeah, we are in purple boat. We've paid too much of money for a private long tail boat. Am I looking good? Yeah. Am I looking bad?
Dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echo.
We are at Sunday night market in Old Town Phuket. So it's just only open on Sundays. So let's see what it is. Are you excited?
The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune.
Hello guys. So latest update. We don't have any money with us
We
right
have
now. 1040.
Yeah, we have 1040 Thai baht with us. And I have not taken my debit card. She has her debit card.
But
she
I
doesn't
forgot
remember. I have a card, so
So technically we have 3 days, 2 more days to go and we have zero money. So I don't know how we are going to survive.
in 2 days or 3 days we finished our 20,000 Thai.
And we have not spent anything on us. We have not got anything for us. Not even a single. Just WhatsApp pay we spent like 1,000 baht.
1,000 Thai baht, that's it.
That's it.
And we each got one fridge magnet,
And one shot
one
glass.
shot glass, that's it. And we have not even spent on too
Clothes.
much. No clothes. Food also, it's like nominal price. But I don't know who said Thailand is cheap.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
Okay, so you get the context right. We don't have money, but we do have card, so that is okay. But Rianchi, no, Scape credit card. So yeah, but we are not able to get the money. And in Thailand, cash is king. So yeah, Rianchi has a pro tip to give you.
So guys, when you go on your first international trip with your friends, you learn so much about living and surviving. Because when you go out with your family, everything is managed. So you don't have to do anything. But when you're going out with your friends, you will realize that how much you need to take care of. So these are whatever is happening with us. It's just learnings for the next time that we will go on trip that we will take care of our cards, our legs, our period dates, our medicines, our necks, our shoulders, everything. So, see, these are just learnings.
I think this vlog is a must watch for everybody who's traveling to Thailand or anywhere else with just 2-3 people and first time with your friends. And especially for those people whose entire lives have been taken care of by their parents.
Even if you're not Thailand, just traveling in general. Like
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
going out
Anywhere.
with your friends, anywhere.
Especially international.
You need to watch this vlog.
And remember
Share,
your
like,
debit
and
card
subscribe.
pins.
Share, like, and subscribe for more such pro tips in 2026.
Real life pro tips that nobody tells.
Nobody
Behind details of
truth about adulting that nobody will tell you. Stop romanticizing this shit.
And please carry more than 10,000 Thai baht when you're coming to Thailand in cash.
If you are spenders.
Yeah.
No,
we did not spend too much. We did not do any shopping. We only spent 1,000 Thai baht on shopping.
So
That's
much
it.
shopping
And all of
that
this
we have
is
done
for our
is not
family.
for us. It's
Family.
not-
And this is also not so much.
Very little.
They just
One
gave us
thing
big,
for
big bag.
just one thing for every
Yeah.
family member.
Bye. We are reaching our hotel. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up and see how
And
we
figure
can
out
get
our cash
money situation. So,
Stay tuned.
So we are at Indus Studio Mall, which is 5 minutes near our.
We could have walked.
Yeah, we could have walked, but we didn't. We took a bike.
And we didn't have money to pay to that bike
Yeah.
person.
But anyways, we are going to find KTB, which is a bank, something bank. There we might get some money. If we get, then we'll tell you how we got it.
Might नहीं है, we are getting. Might क्यों है?
Okay, we are getting money.
हाँ.
So shout out to Rianshi's mama to the rescue. We've got our waiting number 41. Right now it's A038. I'm a little nervous. Yay! We got the money!
We are not homeless anymore.
We're not homeless earlier also. But we had card. And 1,000 Thai baht.
So guys, we are recording this video twice क्योंकि पारो ने उल्टा कैमरा करके रिकॉर्डिंग की थी. Very nice. और मुझे लगता नहीं अभी भी हमारी शूटिंग आ रही है.
We spend money.
After receiving money, we have already spent it. We have bought some bright cute socks for Paro and one 7-Eleven t-shirt for me. And we have had ice cream from Kavari.
So they just gave us the bowl as well.
Very cute ice cream shop.
Must eat.
Yeah. And now we are going to go to our hotel. And
Get
as soon
ready.
as we reach, we have to get ready to go to Yona.
Yona is a beach club.
If you haven't heard it, are you living under a rock?
Didn't I want people to subscribe to my She is a bully.
Truth bomb.
We are ready for Yona Beach Club. The last pickup is at 6. And it's showing 45 minutes and it's already 4:50. Yeah, 4:50. Let's hope we reach there before 6.
What do you guys think? Is this the last plot twist of our trip? I hope not.
I hope there's no plot twist. We've reached the Patong Jetty docking service. I think we'll get the boat. Yay! We didn't miss the boat.
crab and you're sitting on the ground. It's an experience. Hello guys, we are back from Yona and
Amazing experience.
amazing experience. If you're coming to Phuket, you should definitely go here. It's not a 6-7 hour experience for people like us who are not into
EDM.
EDM or that much of clubbing per se.
Only that.
We are more of a
Bollywood
party people.
Yeah.
But even if you are like us, you should once attend this amazing experience. Beautiful view, beautiful ambience.
The boat moves.
Yeah, and good experience. Worth it.
one
One
time
time.
experience. I'll not do it again, but one time experience definitely.
If you're in a big group like 10, 12 people, then you
Yeah.
will have an amazing time. That is
Yes.
what. Yay!
Now we're trying to find the biggest 7-Eleven in Phuket so that we can do some shopping. We need some snacks and some souvenirs that we can buy.
And
yeah.
skincare
Yeah.
and everything special about
Thailand.
yeah.
And the balm, tiger balm, and that green balm. So let's see if we can find the biggest 7-Eleven in Phuket.
Stay tuned, guys.
Yes.
Bye bye. People are like, please don't try this at home. Very tasty.
We booked a bike and we put the largest 7-Eleven in Phuket in that Bolt, okay? And then he dropped us off somewhere. So we thought, okay, matlab it's like too much traffic. So we'll have to walk maybe 1 minute or so. And we just checked the map, like which direction.
So he has dropped us into opposite direction.
Opposite, completely opposite. So now we have to walk 13 minutes back.
From where we came.
Yeah. So we are walking. We paid 40 Thai baht for this.
For this torture.
I mean,
अपनी जान पे खेल के उल्टे डायरेक्शन में आया.
it's not like we are making bad decisions.
Just happening.
It's just happening. Yeah, pick 7-Eleven.
Yeah, big 7-Eleven.
Let's see if we reach. We are looking for the biggest 7-Eleven because we want to buy a lot of things. And the last 7-Eleven we went, it was completely empty. There was nothing there.
Because it was on Bangla Road.
Yeah, in
so-
Bangla Road. So obviously like a lot of tourists so just shelves are completely empty. There were a lot of things that was not there, and anyway it was like a very small 7-Eleven. So we thought the next time we'll go, and mostly the last time because tomorrow is our last day in Phuket in Thailand and we'll be going back day after tomorrow. So we have to do all the shopping before that. So yeah, let's see. We'll catch you once we... Nee, this is also too small. Okay.
No.
Let's see what happens.
मुझे तो तेरी
मुझे तो तेरी
मुझे लगता है ये वही 7-Eleven है जो रास्ते में
This was the 7-Eleven, which was literally 100 meters from
away from.
where we were standing. So we've walked around 13 minutes. We reached 7-Eleven. Let's see if this is actually the biggest one or not. We have done the damage, but still there are some things that we need to buy. So what's the plan, Rianshi?
We are tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk.
So the plan is that I think we have covered most of the things, but there is a 7-Eleven near our hotel and we cannot go without checking it out. It will be like cheating on your
Yes.
partner, so we won't do that. We'll check our 7-Eleven.
We are waiting for a tuk-tuk because after reaching Thailand we have not even had one ride in tuk-tuk, so we really want to. But there is no tuk-tuk available here. Either we'll have to walk or I don't know. Walk a little and then find a tuk-tuk, or just take a cab and go back, because bike se to this is not possible. Just had one pizza slice from Yona Beach Club, so we're just very hungry. So ordered something from Grab, so you can actually order food also from Grab. So this is rice and yellow Thai curry. They've not given any spoon, but yeah. We're done with our lunch and now we are going for our spa day. We're going pure Serenity luxury spa.
Luxury being the important word.
But it's not that expensive compared to India. I'm doing a facial. Rianchi is doing a hair spa and a facial. So once I'm done with my facial, I'll go on a solo exploration of Junk Salon Mall. Then Rianchi will join me. That's the plan.
So guys, we are here at your Serenity. We are very excited.
Yeah. It looks very nice, very professional, very clean and
Very peaceful.
Yeah.
There is so much going on outside, but inside you can't feel it.
Yeah.
Just like us.
I am done with the facial and I am here in the mall, in the Junk Salon Mall alone. Rianchi is doing her hair spa. I'm just here to see Even Boy. By the time she'll be done, she'll join me in Junk Salon and then we'll do shopping in 7-Eleven. Rianchi is back from the hair spa. How is it?
It was amazing. If you're coming to Thailand, you should have massage, spa, facial, one of those things.
Yes.
And
And
we
we bought from Even Boy, and we are in the
We are in 7-Eleven for the third time in 5 days.
Let's see what we will get here. Trying the viral 7-Eleven drink, not drinks. And we're not mixing it with banana milk. We're just trying this chocolate milk. We've got the ice from 7-Eleven and yes. It's alright that we don't do foot massage when we are in Thailand. So
This
we're
is
here.
what happens when you let two financially irresponsible friends go on a trip alone. This is what
Rianchi is a bad influence on me. I am also a bad influence on her.
Exactly.
So it's like nobody will stop.
Us from spending money.
But foot massage is a very
That's what
important,
we're saying
required thing.
to ourselves about everything. That's its essential.
Hello guys!
at Old Town Phuket. It's not Phuket. It's
For our
Phuket.
last hurrah.
Yeah, and we're trying to find Tories.
I think it's close.
There's this ice cream that we had. It's made
closed.
from black rice or
closed.
something. So we want to try that
It's
again.
closed.
Yeah, but it's closed.
This is the ice cream that we had, but it's closed.
मैं सच्ची बहुत सुंदर लग रही हूँ. I'm not even kidding.
So yeah, the Tories ice cream
Everything
place
is
was
closed. So
closed.
if you are planning to come to Old Town Phuket, you have to come before 9:30.
Yeah, 9:30. We were planning to have that mango juice also. I'll insert the picture here.
Mango smoothie. Here
Yeah.
क्या मेरा मुंह है यहाँ पे?
मतलब यहाँ पे. But that is also closed. Everything is closed. We can't even find like an ice cream place or dessert place. So sadly, this is the last night in Thailand, and we didn't get our ice cream.
But it was fun.
Yeah,
fun,
it
very
was a very fun
relaxing,
day.
very nice day.
Yes, definitely.
Aro had to spend something, so she bought this ice cream of mango sticky rice from here.
We bought these from 7-Eleven. This is strawberry Danish sandwich, and this is cheese toast sandwich. Poki, we got it from here, and this is also 7-Eleven. Something egg wrapped cake, and we have our juices. Check-in is done. Security check-in also done, and we found a Maiken. She was staying in our hotel.
Maiken
only.
same college.
Yeah, same college.
Everybody is not a
So
She asked if she can share a cab to the
Yeah.
airport with us.
Yeah, sure. And then we started talking in the cab, and then we realized like we are from the same college. She is like 5
4
years.
years.
5 years
Senior.
senior. So it was nice. Like we found a Maiken even in Thailand.
Maikens are everywhere.
Maikens are everywhere.